In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent spam with CAPTCHA in Zoho Forms. If you're seeing suspicious or automated submissions clogging up your entries, enabling a CAPTCHA is one of the quickest and most reliable ways to filter out bots while keeping your form easy to use for real people. I'll walk you through the setup step by step, explain what each option means, and share a few practical tips so you can apply it with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. This is the fastest way to get to the official site if you don't already have it bookmarked. When the results load, look for the official Zoho link. It's important to make sure you're on the legitimate Zoho domain before signing in, both for security and to avoid any login issues. If you frequently manage forms, consider bookmarking the Zoho Forms page so you can return to it quickly later. Click the official link to open Zoho, then log in with your account. Enter your credentials as usual, and complete any verification prompts your account might require. Once you're in, head to your form and look for the Settings area. In Zoho Forms, Settings is where you'll find all the controls that affect behavior, security, and submission rules. Within Settings, locate and select Spam Control. This is the dedicated section that centralizes protections against unwanted submissions. In Spam Control, choose the CAPTCHA option and click Configure Now. This opens the configuration for your challenge and response check. CAPTCHAs help separate human users from bots by asking for a simple interaction that automated scripts typically fail. Keeping this enabled is a good balance between usability and protection, especially for public-facing forms. When prompted to select a type, choose Zoho Forms CAPTCHA. This built-in option works seamlessly without additional keys or third-party setup, and it's designed to be lightweight while still blocking common spam patterns. It's a solid default for most scenarios, and it keeps your configuration simple and reliable. Next, add a CAPTCHA label and, if you like, a CAPTCHA description. The label is what users will see next to the challenge. Keep it clear and friendly, such as, "Prove you're human." The description is optional, but it can clarify why the check exists, which helps with trust and accessibility. For example, a short note like, "This protects our form from automated spam," sets the right expectation without clutter. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your form now includes a CAPTCHA, providing a clean, user-friendly layer of protection against spam.